Hello everyone, I'm Akshita. I'm here to present the topic research process and stages coming under business research process. Introduction. It established the scope, content, and significance of the research being conducted by summarizing current understanding and background information about the topic. Starting the purpose of the work in the form of the research problem, supported by a set of questions explaining briefly the methodological. Let me know the meaning of research. Research is creative and systematic work undertaken to increase the stock of knowledge. It involves the collection, organization, and analysis of information to increase understanding of a topic or issue. Research means systematic search for knowledge through method of study, observation, comparison, and experiment. Research process. The research process involves identifying, locating, assessing, and analyzing the information you need to support your research questions and then developing and expressing your idea. Research process means series of various actions which are necessary to effective research work. The business research process involves the series of steps that systematically investigate a problem or an opportunity facing the organization. The various stages involved in the business research process are as follows. First one, identifying and defining the problem or opportunity. The initial steps process in the research process is the identification of the problem or opportunity. It is important to define the problem in the in a precise manner. A well-defined problem given the researcher a proper direction for carrying out investigation. It also helps in utilizing the resources provided for the research effectively. A researcher can focus his efforts on collecting relevant information if the problem is defined properly. For example, if a company want to define a research problem such as a declining sale, it need to explore the research problem further through exploratory research. Second one is development of hypothesis. The development of hypothesis is a technical work depends on the researcher experiences. The hypothesis is to draw the positive and the negative cause and effect aspects of the problem. Hypothesis narrows down the area of research and keep a researcher on the right path. A hypothesis is a statement based on some presumptions about the existences of a relationship between two or more variables that can be tested through empirical data. Third one is planning and research design. Planning the research design is a crucial step in the research design process. A research design is the actual framework of a research that provides specific details regarding the process to be followed in conducting the research. Once the problem or opportunity identification and defining stages is completed, the process of research design begins. The research is designed based on the objectives formulated during the initial phases of the research. The research designing includes all the details regarding the research, such as where the information should be obtained from, the time and budget allotted for conducting the research, the appropriate measurement techniques, and the sampling process. These are all included in a research design. Fourth one is selecting the research method. There are four basic methods of conducting a research study. In that first one, secondary data studies. A secondary data study is concerned with the analysis of already existing data that is related to the research topic in questions. In a secondary data are studies in order to analyzing the further sales of a product. And next one is surveys. A survey is a research techniques which is used to gather information from a samples of respondent by employing a questionnaires. Survey are normally carried out to obtain the primary data. Next one is experiment. In business research, experiments can be conducted for studying a cause and effects relationships, analyzing the changes in one variable by manipulating another variable. Helps one identifying the cause and effects relationship through experiments. And next one is observation. It is a techniques where the respondents are merely observed without any interruptions by the observers. Fifth one is selecting a sampling procedure. Sampling is a process that uses a small number of items or a small portion of a population to draw conclusions regarding the whole population. Sampling is generally a part of the research design, but in research process, it is considered as a separately. A sampling can be selected in two ways from a population through probability sampling or through non-probability sampling. Sixth one is data collection. After preparing a suitable sample, the researcher collect the data from the units in this sample. As there are several research techniques, there are a numbers of data collection methods as well. For instance, in the survey method, the data are collected by asking the response to fill out a questionnaires administrated to them. While in the observation techniques, the response are just observed without their direct participation in the research. Whatever the method used to collect the data, if is where it is very important that the data are collected without any error Errors may arise in during the data collection process in several forms. Potential data collections error may arise if the interviewer does not understand the questions or if the interviewer record the answer incorrectly. Seventh one is evaluating the data. The most important aspects of the data evaluation is to convert the data collected into a format which will facilitate the manager in effective decision making. Evaluation of data normally starts with the editing and coding of the data. Editing is used undertaken to verify the data and check for any potential error. Once the data have been collected, the next important phases in the researcher process is evaluating the data. The reasons for analyzing the data is to obtain the research results and to prepare the research report. Several mathematical and statistical model are used to evaluate the data. Coding is to remove any errors that may have cropped up during the interview. Coding is a process of assigning the different symbol to different set of response. And the last step is preparing and presenting the research report. After the evaluation of the data, the last and the major phase that comes into picture is the preparation of a research report. The research report can be presented either in oral or in written format. The research report should contain a brief descriptions of the objective of the research. Preparing and presenting the research report is important because the report will be provided the amount of information in the research report. It should be based on the requirements of the manager. A research report also acts as a historical document in the sense of that manager may refer to this document in the for in future. If a researcher on the same line is being conducted something in the future. Conclusion: the business research process can be considered as the framework of the entire topic of business research. It involves a series of steps starting from the identification of the problem or opportunity to start to the stage of preparing the research report.